He asked ChatGPT, "What can I use instead of table salt?" ChatGPT answer caused him near death. But wait, why would anybody want to leave salt? Well, he'd been reading those health articles. Salt is killing you. Sodium causes high blood pressure. So he used sodium bromide on the advice of ChatGPT. For 3 months, he sprinkled it on every meal. Week 1, he felt fine. Week 4, tired. Week 8, his skin broke out. Week 12, his brain slowed down, and he became convinced his neighbors were poisoning him. The irony, he was poisoning himself. His family rushed him to the ER. Blood work showed dangerously high bromide levels. Poison control confirmed it. Bromide poisoning. But here's a crazy part. Sodium bromide was banned as medicine in 1975 because it's toxic. It has a 10 to 12-day half-life, meaning it accumulates in your body. Every dose stacks on the last one. What went wrong? ChatGPT found chloride alternative in some chemistry database. But that's for cleaning pools, not eating. The AI doesn't understand you're human. It doesn't ask, "Are you planning to eat this?" It just answers. This man had studied nutrition in college. But the AI sounded authoritative. Why wouldn't he trust it? Doctors pumped him full of saline and diuretics. Massive amounts of regular salt. The very thing he'd been trying to avoid. To flush out the poison. After 5 days, his mind cleared. He survived. In the 1900s, bromism cost 5 to 10% of psychiatric hospital admissions. People went insane from bromide medications. So, never use AI for medical advice. But wait, here's another strange story about a man who ingeniously robbed a bank in front of everyone. In 2008, a man posted a fake Craigslist ad for road maintenance workers, offering $28.50 an hour. The instructions were specific. Jeans, blue shirt, yellow safety vest, work boots, goggles, and a painter's mask. Meet at Bank of America. At 11 a.m. sharp, a dozen workers showed up that morning, all dressed identically, waiting for their shift to begin. Then he stepped out from the crowd, wearing the exact same outfit. He walked calmly to the Brink's armored truck, pepper sprayed the guard reaching for money, grabbed the cash cart, and ran toward the nearby creek. Within seconds, he jumped into the water with the money, floated 200 yards downstream, on an inner tube he'd hidden earlier, climbed out behind a row of businesses, and ripped off his Velcro-attached work clothes to reveal completely different clothing underneath. He then climbed into the trunk of a waiting getaway car and vanished. When police arrived minutes later, they found a parking lot full of confused workers wearing identical outfits. Every witness gave the same description, but it matched a dozen innocent people. Standing right there, the actual robber was already gone. The media dubbed him the Craigslist robber, and for weeks, it looked like the perfect crime. But there was one witness nobody expected. Weeks before the robbery, a homeless man had noticed someone repeatedly visiting that same parking lot. He watched this person practicing movements, timing routes, and retrieving a disguise from behind a trash bin. Something felt off, so he memorized the license plate and wrote it down on a piece of paper he kept in his pocket. When the robbery happened and hit the news, he went straight to the police with that license plate. That single detail revealed the entire plan. Anthony Curcio was arrested 1 month later and sentenced to 6 years in federal prison. Subscribe for more stories like these.